federal judge in Denver has issued an injunction against the state of Colorado for unequal treatment of churches in the public health orders. As News 5's Andy Cohen tells us, the judge believes protecting the church's right to free expression outweighs the impact that his decision will have on the state's ability to fight the pandemic.
The lawsuit was filed in August on behalf of two churches from the Denver area. In granting the injunction, Judge Daniel Domenico wrote that the plaintiffs were likely to succeed on the merits of their case. And he said that the state of Colorado cannot decide what is critical and necessary to religious exercise. He found that the public health orders treated churches differently in two specific ways: limits on attendance and a lack of exemptions for houses of worship to the mandatory mask mandate. Currently, the governor allows churches in counties at a level 1 risk on the COVID dial to admit congregations of up to 50% capacity, or 175 people, whichever is less. Judge Domenico points out that those same capacity limits don't exist at the JBS meatpacking plant or Amazon warehouses, where large groups of people are gathered indoors for extended periods of time. The judge believes that state leaders made these decisions in good faith to balance the benefit of public interaction with the risk of spreading the virus. But, he writes, the Constitution does not allow the state to tell a congregation how large it can be when comparable secular gatherings are not so limited, or to tell a congregation that its reason for wishing to remove facial coverings is less important than a restaurants or spas. The judge goes on to say that the churches must still follow the parts of the public health order that are neutrally applied, like sanitation requirements and maintaining social distancing. But the state is now prevented from enforcing the mask mandate and occupancy limits against the two churches. Always watching out for you, Andy Cohen, News 5.